Welcome back, artistic family. I have a 20 by 24 inch canvas here. It is an old canvas. I went ahead and took some joint compound and lightly scraped and added that over the top, adding a very thin layer of structure. It's going to be very simple today. We're just going to use a few different light layers and simple tools and techniques to create a beautiful piece of modern abstract art. So let's go ahead and get going. Start off here, spritzing the canvas. And I have a custom yellow hue here. And as always, I like to add layers and build up my structure from there. Adding depth with the layers and interest. I don't focus so much on anything pretty or anything staying so much with this portion of the creation process. I like to play, experiment, move my brush in certain ways just to get the creative juices flowing. And I kind of try to get myself into like a zen-like, mindless state. Because in all honesty, guys, that's when my best work happens, is when I'm not being too rigid. And I do have somewhat of a perfectionist complex with a variety of things, and that's good. But at the same time, it can be hindering. So I encourage you to try to let go as much as possible. Again, always trust in the process because it does work, and go from there. So, people who are new to abstract art, I get a lot of questions about this, like why did you do this if you're going to remove it? Abstract art is all about adding and removing, and I call it adding and subtraction. And that's where the interest and all the beautiful details and everything come through. That's what creates the dimension and enhances your focal point and essentially draws the viewer in to the painting. Now I could have just left this as it was, but by saturating the canvas and blotting it, whether it be with a piece of paper towel or a sponge, again, just creates more beautiful textures and interest in the background. And as you can see here, I'm not removing the paint everywhere, and I'm not removing it I wouldn't say by the same amount, but if you understand what I mean. I'm taking off more in some areas than others, which then is creating, areas of depth and interest. And then when the next layers are applied, those simple actions come through. Okay. Going to dry very quickly. It's half dried now. And we'll begin with our next layer. So I'm going to put some music on for you guys, some music for me, and we're going to have fun here. structure has come alive. I absolutely love it. I could really leave this like that right now, but I'm just loving all the variations of those thin layers, which you can see all of them. And that raw umber, especially with the custom yellow hues underneath, presents gold in some areas, which is why I absolutely love blending with that color. Creates beautiful nuances, and the textures are beautiful in this piece. Smooth and satisfying, and I'm happy to get started on the next layer.